The Portamate PM4000 from Bora Tool is the most practical, hassle-free stand there is for miter saws or chop saws. It's rugged, dependable, and no-nonsense to provide the pro or enthusiast with the ideal stable, portable platform to get in, get out, and get the job done right. No tools are required for setting up or breaking down the stand. And the quick mount tool attachments give you the freedom to easily remove the saw for transport in virtually any vehicle, for storage, or even for use atop your workbench in the shop. The tubular steel design not only makes the PM4000 strong, it allows for two material supports that can be pulled out to support boards up to 10 feet long. Whatever the job requires, if your saw can cut it, the Portamate can support it. Lightweight but never light duty, the Portamate PM4000 from Bora Tools is the lightest, most compact contractor-grade stand on the market.
The RT0701C is a 1 1/4 horsepower compact router. The router comes standard with a 1/4 inch collet and straight guide, and it takes industry standard template guides. The RT0701C is used to create common profiles like classic bead, corner bead, bullnose profiles, and more. The router is also ideal for trimming edges on laminates and wood materials. The fixed base takes an optional dust port for improved dust collection. Some of the features on the router include smooth rack and pinion depth adjustment system for more precise settings, quick release cam lock system for easy depth adjustments and base removal or installation, and a heavy-duty aluminum housing engineered for increased durability. The router accepts 3 optional bases. The plunge base can be used to cut grooves, as well as dadoing, mortising, or inlay pattern work. It also takes an optional dust port that attaches to the base. The base comes standard with 3 preset stops for added precision, and it takes industry standard template guides. And it can also be used with the guide rail system for multiple applications. The tilt base provides routing at different angles. The offset base allows for routing in hard-to-reach areas and as close as 3/4 of an inch to the wall. The base is ideal for installing kitchen and bathroom sinks. The new RT0701C, RT0701CX7, and RT0701CX3 router kits are part of Makita's expanded lineup of woodworking solutions.
Make any place your workspace with the Kreg Track Horse. This sturdy, versatile, and portable work support makes it easy to set up a workspace anywhere and then store it compactly away when not in use. The steel and aluminum track horse is packed with features that take it beyond the capabilities of an ordinary sawhorse to provide solid support for a variety of DIY and woodworking tasks. Those features start with sturdy, adjustable legs. They fold out and lock in place securely and can be set at 6 working heights to match your needs and your tasks. The legs also fold completely away, which allows you to set up a handy ground-level work platform. With the legs folded, the track horse is also easy to transport to wherever you want to work. Built-in dual-mode clamping adds even more versatility. With the included Kreg bench clamp, you can hold items in place in the long track, or place the clamp in either end of the track horse for secure vise-style clamping. And thanks to Kreg's AutoMax auto-adjusting technology, you never have to readjust the clamp when you move from one material thickness to another. In addition to holding the clamp, the track can also be used to mount a sacrificial cutting surface on top of the track horse. Simply attach the included bushings to a 2x4 and then slide it into the track. Now you can cut without worrying about damaging the track horse or your saw. When you want more room to work, you'll appreciate how easy it is to create an expanded workspace. Pair 2 track horses together using the included support brackets and ordinary 2x4s, and you can create a large cutting platform that will support long boards and heavy plywood sheets easily, so you can cut safely and more accurately. Or reposition the brackets and 2x4s, and you can span between 2 track horses with 3/4 inch plywood to create an extra large work table with built-in clamping. That means you can create a big workbench, and a sturdy one that can hold up to 2,200 pounds. The track horse also pairs with the Kreg Mobile Project Center in the same ways to give you even more options for creating a sturdy and versatile project workspace that's packed with features. Visit us online at KregTool.com and learn more about the track horse, as well as our other Kreg workspace solutions, so you can create every project with confidence.
Introducing Woodpeckers Drill Press Table. This state-of-the-art design will help woodworkers drill holes in their workpieces with greater speed, accuracy, and repeatability than ever before. Woodpecker's complete drill press table package starts with a large 16 by 23 by 1 inch thick work area with a low friction non-glare microdot laminate surface. The table edges are covered with a durable high-density banding permanently bonded to the MDF core. Now remove the tear out, eliminating filler to reveal 4 leveling screws for a level working surface. Then notice a 3/8 inch centering hole, allowing you to center the table to your drill press's drill chuck for a perfect alignment of your table. Your table comes with 2 embedded dual tracks, which are secured by 8 1/4-20 bolts, which eliminates pullout, and each is laser engraved with empirical scales for precise fence positioning. The 36-inch long dual track fence with a laser engraved center type scale makes it easy to use from both sides of the table. The dual track feature allows for stop options like the flip stop or L stop. The new and improved fence bracket now makes it easier than ever to adjust the fence from left to right, or front to back. The beauty of the dual track fence allows you to adjust the fence from side to side, so you can increase the stop range to a full 28 inches. The package includes 2 1-inch flip stops, which can be accurately positioned on the fence, allowing for quick multi-hole drilling of your workpiece. Also included are 2 hold-down clamps with non-slip tips to lock down material for heavy drilling operations. A new optional addition is the DP3 drill press fence. This 3/8 of an inch thick by 3 by 3 by 23.5 inch long fence is machined to give an accurate 90 degrees from the table. It's designed for supporting stock on edge and is great for drilling out mortises. Woodpeckers now offers our new fence bracket kit for our customers who already own our drill press table. The upgrade kit is easy to install and great to use. Like all Woodpecker brand woodworking tools, the Woodpeckers drill press table is manufactured in our plant just outside of Cleveland, Ohio, in the USA.